Hi guys, quick video from Miss Castano on how to find your classwork. What you want to do is when you get um, into Google Classroom, you want to look over here. It'll say I Castano Science, and yours will say whichever class period you're in. This is just one generic class that I have going for a couple people. So what you would want to do is probably the easiest thing is to go to upcoming where it says view all, and then you can just click in here. So I have here bonus work. These are all the things that are just due right now, and they go in order. So the assignments have due dates, but the bonus work does not have a due date. So let's say you wanted to catch up on last week. You would do bonus work week 3, click it, and then yours is going to look a little bit different. Yours is going to look more like this. Mine says student work because I'm a teacher. So right here, you just click on Google Forms sign in, and then you look at the video, first and last name, complete this assignment, and then press submit at the end. Let me show you also, you can look on classwork, and for this week, we are in life science. So you can click both of these. When it says look at the videos posted on the stream, you can view the material. And then it just tells you to look at the videos that are posted in the stream. So you would have to go to the stream to see the videos, which are right here. Go back to the classwork. For this week's assignments, it says prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. You have to read these directions. So it says, please look on Launchpad, and there's the link. Then go to the science square, then STEM scopes. You can read the rest of the assignment here, and it tells you about what counts and what doesn't count. So you click on this, and then it should take you to the Launchpad. Just scroll down till you get to science, and then you hit STEM scopes. Mine is going to look very different from y'all's because I'm the teacher, but basically that's how you do it. And when you click in there, your assignments will be in there already. The other thing that's pretty important, if you have some extra time and you want to do the work in this bonus work section, you can do these. If Launchpad isn't working for you, I've had a couple kids that had some struggles with it, then you can strictly do the bonus work. And like I said, you just click on it. It'll say Google Forms sign in, and then you just do the assignment in here. You have to view the videos, otherwise you won't do very well. So it's just a quick overview. I wanted you to see that. Like I said, probably the easy way when you get here would be to look at the stream at the very top. It says upcoming, and you can just press view all, or you can click the classwork. Of course, these won't be on yours because I'm a teacher and mine looks different. And then also check out the stream. Every once in a while, I put stuff in here that you need to look at. For this week, guys, I really did go through these videos and many more to remind myself about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells and how they differ. So these videos are extremely helpful, and I also delete things that we don't need anymore. So I hope this helps. Thanks.